What's your point, though, on the NASDAQ and Thrive in particular?
Well, I'm just saying that the high-flying NASDAQ stocks were the ones that were cut sometimes in half by a Fed that gets tough, in part, David, because these are long-dated assets, and they tend to do poorly in this environment.
Yeah. By the way, on that note, we got Harker from the Fed, non-voting member, saying series of deliberate, methodical rate hikes are coming. Said this at the Delaware Chamber of Commerce. Fed will begin to reduce the balance sheet, quote, soon. Inflation is widespread and running far too high.
Is there any way that
that's
the
Harker.
minutes could cause a relief rally? Because we kind of heard from Harker, Daly, Brainerd, look out, the tsunami's coming. Is there a possibility of a relief? I'm just trying to, I am trying very hard to put my head on the side of a bull who says, you know what, we know all this. This is not my view. I want to take a very conservative view. I think people should be paring back. I've been paring back what I would say is aggressively, maybe the most aggressively for the club in a decade.
And when you say paring back, what do you focus on in your portfolio, your charitable trust portfolio?
Not touching the banks, even though the banks have been, we only have two banks, but tech, all of tech, even considering an inverse security that I typically would not want to embrace.
Really, one that would basically short sort of an index of technology.
Yes, I don't want to do that. Typically,
or high multiple, I should say.
Right. Typically, I want to just sell. My whole strategy in life has been just sell. I think that this downturn is going to be a separate the wheat from the chaff, and I want to be in the wheat by the time this is over. Not wheat from Ukraine, which is, I think that Janet Yellen got the numbers wrong. She's saying 30% of the world's wheat exports from Russia. AGCO does not say that at all.
In her upcoming testimony, of course, we will be covering Yellen when she takes Q&A.
And where is our green
from that
today,
House panel?
David? Where is our green?
The drugs, pharmaceutical. I got Merck up, Pfizer, J&J. Glaxo, Lilly.
Bristol Myers? I don't think so.
No, BMY is not up. But
Morgan Stanley came to lower the
Gilead. So and the oils.
Well, there it is. I mean, what we've been emphasizing in the club is the drugs and the oils, and that, you know, those are what I call odd bedfellows.